What's up guys, back with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and this time it's a video for the Blackwing.
Yep. Do you own a CT4-V Blackwing and want it to sound like this?
Well, you're in luck, because in this video we're going to show you exactly how to do that with a stock tune and stock exhaust, basically stock car. We're going to hop in the POV in 3, 2, 1.
So we are sitting here in the CT4-V Blackwing, and so there's a couple things that you're going to need to do. One is I'm going to put the exhaust in track mode. So my personal V mode, as you can see, engine sound is all the way up. So you either need to do that or press the mode button until you get into track mode, but either way you just need engine sound to be all the way up. I think it might work in sport mode as well, but it pops the most in track mode. So what I'm going to be doing from here is, this is a somewhat rare circumstance that would happen in real life, and it's you floor it up to 6,000 RPMs, not higher than that, otherwise it won't work. You floor it up to 6,000 RPMs and then let off, and then it'll be like pop, 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 pop. And it doesn't work every single time, but it'll work like most of the time. And if you do it back to back, then it will like start to work more and more. Another way to do it is to be going like, it's to downshift into first gear and make it go all the way up to 6,000 RPM. So you need to be going like 40 miles per hour or something like that. And then it'll also do it. So we're going to start moving and I will show you how that works. All right, so I'm just gonna like floor it past up to 6K. And it didn't really work that well because I was getting wheel spin. All right, I'll try one more time. And you can hear behind me. I'm gonna do it one more time. Ah, there you go. I got a whole bunch of them. Yeah, it's like just popping behind me over and over again. Now, obviously, this probably isn't great for your car to do it over and over again, because you're just flooring it up to red line and probably, I don't know, doing something, wearing your car down. But that is the only way really to do it. I'll show you now as well, if I like speed up to like 40 something and then I downshift. I didn't do it enough. I'm gonna make a U-turn here. It is a little bit finicky and you need to get it like right at 6K. If you're not high enough or you're too low, or like you go past it, I mean, it won't work. Get off. Got a little bit. Yeah, you can see it happening a little bit.
And that pretty much wraps up this 2-Minute Tuesday. Hopefully you all learned something new.
Yep. It is like slightly finicky with that car. It doesn't do it every single time, but that's the only way to do it if it does work. Because it's a Cadillac, they don't want you doing that all the time, I guess, but it is a way to be obnoxious if you have a stock CT4-V Blackwing.
Yeah, so go enjoy that new method that we just taught you, and we'll see you in the next one.